Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you the ultimate Bugout kit. I have it in my car and it is for all environments, for all weathers, and this one is the only one you need. If you have seen this Bugout kit, you don't need anything else. So let me show you. That's what it is. Quite small, but it has everything you need. So let me open it. And as you see, it's nice and sturdy, and it has these two items everybody needs. With these items you can do everything, and here it is: a bottle of Jim Beam and here a bottle of Canadian LDT. With this whiskey you can do everything you need. I mean, maybe you want to just drink them, or maybe you want to give them away, but this one is the ultimate Bugout kit. When you have one of these, you don't need anything else.